What the heck is up, guys? Welcome back to another video here on the channel. If it sounds a little funky, it's because I am currently sitting in Dan's race truck, and this thing is absolutely gross. And it's a little echoey in here. It's currently a tornado outside. We had a storm warning that straight up said, "Tornado, take shelter now," which is kind of scary. But today we're basically, what are we doing today? Working on the race truck? Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Fuck yeah, buddy.
So today we're working on the race truck. Let's check it out. What are you doing over there? Why do you not have a shirt on? Hey, America! So there's like legitimate tornado warning. Got the 6.4 right there. You think a tornado is gonna hit? I mean, it's nice that way, bad that way. Oh. I mean, the warning said just straight up take cover now. That's pretty serious. I've never seen a warning like that.
Let's take a peek at these lyrics. We got race car stuff to do.
Yeah, they might not want to see that.
Why?
Some stuff.
Is it hardcore?
I guess you call it that.
Yeah, we got race car stuff to do.
We got race car stuff to do. All right, Dan. What are we doing right here? What is going on
I'm fixing this line
in this vicinity here?
Dude, you are such a whiny bitch.
Ronnie, fuck this line.
Ronnie, you bent the line?
I didn't bend the fucking line.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with it.
You did not inspect this line.
When I made this fucking thing.
Cross-threaded the oil line.
Dude, you are... Dude, fuck out.
Alright guys, so now that the rain has stopped, it was like legitimate almost tornado out there.
Well, we got in here just so we didn't have to worry about, like, if the building came down.
Right. If the building was going to fall on us or if the building was going to blow away, we were just going to be strapped into the truck. So it was safe. Guys, so if you watch my channel, there's a pretty good chance that you watch like Street Speed 717 or whatever on YouTube. Every year he puts on this thing called the YouTube Callout Challenge. Now this year it's on October 20th. It's basically what? Just like a YouTube event where a couple of different YouTubers get together and they kind of race each other. Almost like call each other out and just do like it's like a drag racing event where the subscribers can go and, you know, us YouTubers interact with you guys and, you know, we kind of race each other. But we're working on this race truck. What would you guys want to see this race truck at this year's or at this YouTube call out on October 20th? Now this Powerstroke here is obviously, as you can see, Dan built everything here. Ice tank, complete like nitrous dump valve,
Pinion brake.
so like this is full on race truck, paddle shift. And like this is like Dan's design on everything. Like he developed the whole paddle shift thing, everything you see in here. Yeah, all the controllers, everything he developed himself. So this is like super wicked. Obviously, you guys have seen a lot of SPE on my channel on the Modern Diesel page, previously Platinum built. So we're going to tell you guys right now, we kind of, we teamed up. You know, we do like a brand partnership kind of deal, SPE and Modern Diesel. You know, through my search in parts and stuff, I discovered Dan and, you know, everything that he's about. And
we like the channel. We like what you're about and how you film it. And
yeah.
it could be cool.
So everything just got super cool, like real fast. And
what? Did we just become best friends? Yep.
And like we kind of are going to do a brand partnership. So you're going to see a whole bunch of SPE stuff on the channel. Super, super cool. We're going to hit some events. We're going to do a couple different things. So if anyone out there goes to these YouTube Callout challenges or whatever kind of event you go to, let us know, because we're trying to hit some things, do some different options, maybe a couple of things. You know, I'm not going to tell you guys just yet. We have a bunch of stuff in the works. But this truck here, if you guys want to see this, this is what? Is this like the fastest four-wheel drive Powerstroke quarter mile?
As of what we know, yes.
So if you guys want to see the fastest four-wheel drive Powerstroke at the YouTube Callout Challenge, drop a comment below. Let us know what you think. Like, full seriousness, Ronnie left in like the middle of the hurricane. Like,
yeah,
or not hurricane, tornado.
Yeah, he totally chicken shit.
He goes, oh, there's a tornado outside? Pfft, no worries, I got a Cummins.
To play some Fortnite.
He's going to drive home in the tornado to play some Fortnite. So, let us know what you guys think about that. We're summoning the YouTube demons. Alright, you ready to get out of here? I'm kind of getting hot.
Yeah, it's a little warm.
I think the tornado's passed, so I think we're safe to get out.
Tornado in Pennsylvania. I go figure.
Yeah.
Is that even, like, doesn't even happen?
Tornadoes?
I mean, if we can buy the mountains. Yeah, sure.
I've never seen a tornado in my life.
I know. I mean,
But
I
like,
have one, not in person, though.
On TV?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I've seen a tornado on TV. Alright, so what kind of turbo setup you got going on here? I mean, that S500 is obviously huge. And then there's going to be two more mounted up like right here and here, right?
Yeah, it's 588 in the valley. So that's the primary charger. And then the atmospheric turbos hang out here, the two S488s.
Two S40, 488. That's a tongue twister.
400 frame, 88 mil. 96 turbines on the S400s, and then 110 mil on the 500.
So triple turbo 6.7 Powerstroke race truck. You guys want to see that at the Callout Challenge? Alright guys, so if any of you are heading out to the YouTube Callout this coming October, October 20th, which we got like 18 days. I think today's the 2nd, so you'll probably be seeing this the 3rd. You know, let us know if you guys are heading out. If you want to see that Powerstroke out there, or anything else for that matter you want to see out there, you know, let us know. We're planning on doing something for that, so stay tuned. You know, we're gonna announce more. Us meaning me and Dan from SPE. So stay tuned. You're gonna see what we're gonna do, what we're gonna take, but we're definitely trying to put it together where we're gonna make it out there. But yeah, that truck's running about an average of 1,800 horsepower and like a boatload of torque. So that'll be pretty cool to have out there for you guys to see. So we got a lot of work to do and a lot of stuff to plan out, but I'm pretty pumped to announce the kind of brand partnership. It's going to be a great journey. We're going to do a lot of cool stuff together. But that's about it for today. I am going to get ready to head to the house. If you made it this far, you guys are awesome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. But alright, I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace!